everyone, in this video we will show the features and the configuration of an Odoo module stocks by locations, which was created by faOtools. The aim of the module is to show inventory levels per each internal location for back-end comfortable use. For that, the module introduces a widget. The widget shows a table, which gives an instant overview of stock levels from product variant or template forms, and right from a sales line. You would have full information over all available internal locations for quantity on hand, free-to-use quantity, reserved quantity, forecast quantity, incoming and outgoing quants. The widget appears on product template, product variance forms, and sale orders form. Let's look at the product inventory interface, which is modified by the module. For that, let's go to Inventory, Products, and let's open, for example, Drawer. And go to Inventory tab. Here you can see the table, which shows products availability in various internal locations. The internal locations are structured hierarchically, while you may expand or hide any of those. To expand the hidden warehouses, click on the down arrow icon by the warehouse or location. To hide the open warehouses, click on the up arrow icon by the warehouse or location. You can also expand all warehouses in one click. For that, find the double arrows on the left side of the title location. The side arrow stands by the last location, which can no longer be extended. Locations without products on hand or without products planned are excluded to provide a clearer picture. Below the table, you can find the button Export to XLSX. Click on it to export the stock balance table. The exported document preserves the table stock by location structure. The hierarchy levels are presented. You will see full information over all available internal locations for quantity on hand, free-to-use quantity, reserved quantity, forecast quantity, incoming and outgoing quants. The module doesn't influence user access rights. The access rights are regulated by Odoo or might be regulated by other third-party apps. If there are some limitations to the warehouse or locations, then users will not see them, so it's possible that the table will look differently for various users. The module's tables with the product's quants are updated in real time. If you have a lot of products, warehouses and locations, there might be some delays while opening the product's template. In this case, you can replace the table with a button, and the calculations will take place only as you click on the button. For that, go to Inventory, Configuration, Settings, and find the section Stocks by Locations. Here it is. After checking the box, the button to open the table would be shown instead of the table. Such an approach allows facilitated loading of product forms, since compute methods would be applied only after pushing the above button. You can specify how many levels of locations hierarchy will be shown by default. Others would be hidden until expanded manually, so let's write 2, for example, here. And don't forget to save the page. And now let's look at one of our products. So now here is the button instead of the table. Let's click on it. Only 2 levels are shown. First one, second one. Then we need to expand them to see the rest levels. And now let's look at each place, which is modified by the module. Let's start with the product template. The Stocks by Location widget is added to each storable and consumable product template. To see the availability of a particular product, just open a products card, go to tab Inventory, and find the section Stocks by Locations. There you will find a table which shows the number of these products in each warehouse. As a product is a group of variants items of one module, the quantity is shown for all its variants. The module also changes the button on the product's form. Now, the available quantity of the product is shown not in all warehouses, but only in the default one. The available quants for all product variants are shown. Thus, users observe the inventories which are essential for them. However, A user might still check other warehouses using the widget Stocks by locations if necessary. The default warehouse can be configured right on the user's form, below the email signature. So here it is, default warehouse. Now let's return back to the products template. Look at the button. The first number here is the quantity on hand, and the second number is the total quantity. The information about the quantity of the product in the default warehouse can be also seen both from the Kanban view and the list view. The second number shows the quantity in all locations. The Stocks by Locations widget is added not only to the Storable and Consumable Products template, but also to the Storable and Consumable Product Variants forms. A product variant is a specific version of a particular product, so it is also possible to see the quants of a particular product variant in various locations. To see stocks of a product variant, open the products template and click on the button Variants. Choose a variant and open its form. Find the section Stocks by Location. You can also click on the button Export to export the stocks balance table. The information about the quantity of the product variant in the default warehouse can be also seen from the list view in the Product Variants menu. The module introduces the tool for Odoo salespersons to control inventory levels when working with quotations. With the Stock by Locations widget, you can get an instant overview of stock levels right from a sales line. To see the stocks of a product from a sale order, just click on the list icon by the product on the right side after the subtotal column. The table contains full information over all available internal locations for quantity on hand, free-to-use quantity, reserved quantity, forecast quantity, incoming and outgoing quants. The module helps to check the availability of a product in all locations, if there isn't enough product in stock in the default one. I hope this video will be useful for you. Feel free to contact us if you want to try the module in the demo instance.